Look at that mural. The Wonder Woman. I always wanted to do one of those. Always, but never have enough people to do it. You know how women are. Oh well, you can pedal the whole way. No.
I love how you're just throwing shade on women.
I said
right
women,
now.
right? Because that's what y'all do when y'all get on shit like that. I just drink. So you telling me you're going that you're gonna pedal the whole way?
Yes.
I want to document this. I need this so documented. So if anything, I could go back. So you're telling me we go on one of those ride pedal things. You're gonna pedal the whole way?
I'll pedal more than you can.
I swear to God, if you don't, I'm gonna let y'all know. Don't worry. Yeah, y'all, we're just doing a little walking tour, man. Checking out the city, see what it looks like. It's very beautiful out here. It's a lot greener than we expected. And everything is right close to us. From the W where we are, we're going to Rainey Street, and it's an 18-minute walk. And it's looks scenic. Look what I'm talking about, scenic. We could go down by here and check this out.
Go down there.
Guided sunset back tours. Back tours. That's it. Actual back tour. Look at this fucking tree, though.
I thought that was a bat.
Look how huge this tree is.
Oh, it's cool. I'll take a picture of it.
Careful, if this thing sink, I'm laughing my ass off. Yeah, you could, guess you could rent kayaks out here. That's pretty cool. Hey guys, what's up? We're out here in Rainey Street district area. There's a lot of food trucks, a lot of businesses, a lot of restaurants. So we're just gonna do some walking around and get some drinks, and she wants to try everything at every food truck. It's not gonna work for me. But we check it out. Oh yeah, they got it all lined up here too. It's like a whole fucking area. It's like this whole area is food truck grill. For real. That's hilarious. Did you read that one?
Yes. What were you doing?
Look at myself.
Oh.
You're not even thirsty no more.
Oh.
Oh, the tutu is killing me. Uh-oh, you know I hear Afrobeats, I start dancing. You know I hear Afrobeats, I start dancing, babe. I can't help it. Yo, this guy is dirty. He knows what he's doing.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on my knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough.
She's selling it so well. She's selling that shit. Some fun, believe me. So get it right. service might change. Okay guys, that bar is lit, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm thinking all these bars are lit when you get a few drinks in you and they got some good music. You know,